Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your account for success. Okay, majority of people make the mistake of just creating an account, select a username and then start blasting pictures on Instagram, and they think they are marketing on Instagram. Okay, so for you to achieve a maximum growth on Instagram, there are some strategies that you need to make sure that they are in place since from the setup of your account. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing, I believe that by now everyone has an account on Instagram, right? So the first thing that you need to do is come to your profile, click on edit profile. Okay, click on edit profile, then it will take you to this page. Okay, so the first thing that you need to change on your profile is your profile picture. Okay, so your profile picture should be your logo or your personal picture. For example, if you sell any physical product, okay, if you sell any product, okay, at all, then your profile picture should be your logo, not your product picture. Okay, it doesn't make sense. Just because you sell hair doesn't mean that your profile picture should be hair picture. Okay, your Instagram account is a business, it's a brand, so you need a logo to represent your account, your brand. Okay, so but if you are a personal brand, okay, for example, if you are a coach, you are a consultant, or any sort of physical brand, then you can use your personal picture as your profile photo, because that way people will trust you more. Then the second step is your name. Okay, remember this, your name, not username. Okay, where I wrote Ramadan social media expert, let's click on it, your name. Okay, so here a lot of people make the mistake of just writing their name, or writing their username there, but it's not actually meant for you to write your name. It's a search engine tool to help you to help people find you on Instagram. Before here I just wrote social media expert without this Ramadan, but with the recent update of Instagram, where they are showing your name instead of username on people's DMs, okay, so I had to write Ramadan, then write the keyword. The keyword is social media expert. For example, the update Instagram did is, for example, before, let me show you to my DMs. Okay, let me show you. You see this one, building material store. So this one is using the search engine tools. Okay, but the problem is that Instagram are now showing your name instead of your username in your in people's DMs. So it might confuse your followers or your customers. Imagine just chatting with someone building material store. So that's why now it's advisable to put your name or your username, then add keyword. But make sure that you add a keyword on your name. Why? Because people now come to Instagram to search for things they want. So for Instagram to recommend your page, when someone is searching for something that is related to what you are selling, you need to add keywords that are related to what the customer is searching. Okay, let me show you an example of what I mean. For example, let's say I want to buy a hair. Okay, let's say I want to buy a hair. Someone will just come to Instagram and write hair. Okay, you see, Instagram will start recommending me this account. Why? Because they use hair as their name as their name. That's the keyword. They use hair as their name on Instagram. That's why Instagram are showing me their account. For example, if I'm a customer, I might decide to check out this account and they might get a sale from this. So always remember this name. Okay, add a keyword to it. For example, let's say I'm a baker. Okay, and I live in maybe Kano or Lagos or anywhere in the world. And my name is, maybe I can write Khadija, and my name is Khadija. Let's say my name is Khadija. I'll just write Khadija because of the DM thing, and then include keyword. Before you don't even have to put your name. okay, because Instagram shows your username in people's DMs. But now with the update of Instagram are showing name instead of username. I hope you understand what I mean. So you should write your name, or you should write your username, then add keyword. I was saying that, for example, let's say I'm a baker, okay, I can write something like Kano baker. Okay, if I'm a baker and I live in Kano, I can write the keyword should be Kano baker. So when someone is searching for a baker in Kano or Kano baker, Instagram will show them my account, and if that person decided to check my page and they see what they like, they will send me a DM and order a cake. Okay, you see, from that I just got a customer. Another example is that if you are a skincare, okay, if you sell skincare, you can, and you live in Lagos, let's say you live in Lagos, you can write something like, maybe your name is Khadija or Messi or something. Just write your name and then the keyword. You can write, since you sell skincare, you can write skincare expert. Okay, you can write skincare expert Lagos. Okay, the reason why I always advise people to write their location as their name is that even when people are not searching for your keyword but are searching for that location, for example, if someone is searching for Lagos, Instagram will show them her account. Okay, Instagram will show them this account. Why? Because we used Lagos as our name in our name. Okay, that's it. It's a search engine tool to help people find you on Instagram. I hope you understand. Then the next step is your website. Okay, so if you have a website, okay, you can put your WhatsApp URL here. But if you don't have a website, you should put your WhatsApp link. Okay, because some people don't prefer to chat on WhatsApp more than they want to chat on Instagram. So if you have a WhatsApp link, Instagram people will just click on your link and it will take them directly to your WhatsApp, without going through the struggle of copying your phone number, then go and chat you up on WhatsApp and all. All they had to do is just click on your WhatsApp link. Okay, so how can you generate your WhatsApp link? Just click on what website. Okay, right, the easiest and most quickest way to generate WhatsApp link is just by writing wa.me/234, then your phone number without the first 0. Okay, your phone number without the first 0, right? 9024 let's say 256589. I don't even know whose phone number is this. Just write wa.me/234, then your phone number without the first 0. That's how you generate your WhatsApp link. The next step is your bio. Okay, your bio is the first thing people look at when they visit your profile. Okay, it's your bio. So your bio should summarize what you do, what makes you special. Okay, this is where you put your selling point, the thing that makes your business special, why people should patronize you. Okay, you remember in last video we talked about knowing the benefit and solution your customers get when they use your product. Okay, then I want you to use that answer to create a captivating bio. Okay, to craft your own bio. Let me give you an example. For example, let's say you are selling cake. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of cake vendors put something like mouth-watering cakes, etc., which is good. Okay, but I think people don't actually buy cakes because it's mouth-watering. They buy cakes, okay, because why people buy cake is they want a beautiful cake that will give them a happy memory. Okay, a beautiful memory. So if I want to write a bio, I can write something like, we create long-lasting beautiful memories with cakes. So anyone that sees this will know that I mean business. Okay, and also on your bio you should also avoid putting something like no refund, payment validate order, no DM, no scam zone, we are legit. Okay, who does that? Who say? Anyone that has to say that they are legit, okay, or no scam zone, and that means something is shady. But if you are legit, you just have to prove it. Okay, and then at the end of your bio, okay, write a call to action. You can, maybe if you put your WhatsApp link, you can say send a DM or click the link below, That's it. So if someone want to order from you, you have already given them what they should do. You have already tell them what they should do. They should send you a DM or they should click the link below. So when these people click the link below, it will take them to your WhatsApp link. Okay. So the next step is your category. Okay. So category. Let's click. What? So something is wrong with my category. So your category, okay, you should choose a category that resonates with your industry. If you sell clothes, okay, you can choose something like fashion designer, something like online store. If you sell cakes, or if you sell food, you can choose something like baking, etc. Okay. For example, what I mainly do is I do advertising and marketing. I'm into advertising and marketing. So I choose as my category advertising and marketing. Then the next step is your public business information. Okay. So if your account is connected to Facebook, you will see the name of your Facebook page name. My Facebook page name is Business with Ramadan. My category is advertising and marketing. Then contact option. This one is very important. Okay. So your contact option, click on email, click on contact option. Okay. So you should put your, if you don't want people to send you an email, you should not put your business email, but you should put your phone number. Okay, because some people don't like going through the struggle of taking your phone number and saving it, but if you put your phone number on your public business information, people can just call you. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Let's see this one. Okay, you see this one. So when you put your phone number on the public information, you will have this contact option on your bio. People will click on it and they can decide to call you. Okay, people can decide to call you, just call you. So if you didn't put your email, like I said, okay, instead of contact, people will just see call. So once they click on call, it will show them your phone number and they can call you directly. So you also save your customer some stress. So let's go back. Shit. I think my network is bad. Okay, so that's it. Click on contact option and then I think that's it about setting up your account for success. Then the next step is to create highlights. Okay, the next step is to create highlights. So what I highlight, these are the highlights. Okay, under my bio, these are highlights. This circle icons with the circle icons. Okay, these are highlights. Okay, so the thing about highlight is that if you have never put a story on Instagram, you cannot create highlights. Okay, if you have never put a story on Instagram, you cannot create highlights. So if you want to create highlight, you have to put a story first on Instagram, then you can go ahead and create highlight. And you cannot add pictures from your gallery directly to your highlights. Okay, you first have to put it on your story, then add it to your highlight. For example, if I already have an existing highlight, okay, I cannot add pictures from my gallery directly to the highlight. I have to put it first on my Instagram story, then add it to my to the highlight. Okay, so if you have never put a story on Instagram, what you should do is just put a story on Instagram, then click on the story, and at the bottom you will see three options, right? Facebook, highlight, and more. Click on highlights. Okay, you can decide to create a new, click on new and name the highlights. So your highlight can consist of something like maybe about us. Okay, about us. Here you can put your picture, your employees picture, your shop if you have a shop, just something about you. Okay, so that people can get to know you or get to know your business. Next, you can create another highlight with maybe testimonials. You can put testimonial pictures inside this highlight. testimonials. You can create another highlight for frequently asked questions. You can create highlight for available product. You will just add all the available product you have, so when people come to your profile, they can click on it and see the available product you have. Also, you can create highlight for price list and so on. Okay, so the thing about highlights is that highlight is the quickest way people can get the whole idea of who you are without going through the struggle of going through your post. Okay, so people don't actually have time now to go through your post to know who you are or what you do, to even get to trust you. But with highlights, okay, people can get the whole, under a few minutes, people can get the whole idea of who you are, what you sell, and everything about your business. Okay, so after you finish creating your highlights, okay, then you can go ahead and create beautiful and attractive highlight covers. Okay, what are highlight covers? These are highlight covers. Okay, on my last two highlights, you see, instead of this first one, you see the last two ones have highlight covers. Okay, it makes the page look attractive and beautiful. So I'm also going to be showing you, I'm also going to be sending you a video on how you can create beautiful highlight covers.